Are you paying for Microsoft Office, Adobe Photoshop, or Illustrator? How'd you like to save big bucks? You can get pretty much the same programs for free. Yes, I said free. I'm Kim Komando with this digital life hack brought to you by LinkedIn Jobs. Post a job for free and find qualified candidates quickly at linkedin.com/Kim. No doubt Microsoft Office is the gold standard. Before you pay Microsoft, check out LibreOffice. It has it all: a word processor, spreadsheets, presentations, databases, and more, and it's free. Google Drive is another great free option to replace Microsoft Office too. Next, Adobe Photoshop is another expensive program. If you use Photoshop to edit your photos, you can replace it with a free program called GIMP. It's been around a long time, so there are tons of YouTube tutorials on how to use GIMP. Finally, another Adobe pricey program is Illustrator. That's used to create logos, infographics, posters, and flyers. Save your money and use Inkscape instead. Find links to these programs at Komando.com. Learn something new every day. I'll deliver tech knowledge right to your inbox. Sign up now at Komando.com/subscribe.